Alright, so the A phase starts with 1, ends with 10. The middle is going to be in between 4 and 7. Same thing with the B phase. 2 to 11, 5 and 8 are in the middle. So this is going to be one coil, this is going to be another coil. Same thing with these, same thing with these. Now, on a 6-pole, it's going to be a little bit different. Let me show you how that works. Alright, this is the connections on a 6-pole 36-slot motor. So I put the B and C phase coil ends inside the motor. I only have the A phase coil ends on the outside. It's a 6-pole motor, so we have 6 magnets per phase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if I were going to start here with lead number 1, then the next one is going to be back to back and then front to front. Now, why do we need to do that? We do that to change the polarity, because if the electricity comes in this side of the coil and then it comes out of this side of the coil, then the polarity is going that way. So we want to go back to back, so the electricity goes in the back side of this coil and then goes back the other way. That's how you make north, south, north, south, north, south, going all the way around. So let's say we start here. We're going to go back to back, front to front. Well, what's half of 6? Half of 6 is 3. Boom, there's your center line. Okay, so here's going to be 1, back to back, front to front, and then this is going to be 4. 4 and 7 go together to make the high voltage connection. Otherwise, it's going to be a low voltage connection or have 9 leads, either way. So this one's going to be 4, this one's going to be 7. Then we're going to go front to front, back to back, and then this one will be 10. So we start on 1 here, and then we end on 10 there. And you have 2 jumpers and 3 coils together to isolate half the motor. And then this number 4 and this number 7 are going to go together to complete the other half of the motor. It depends on what voltage you're going back with, but that's essentially how it works on every motor.